Hey, Fowl Owl.
Hello, Luckl.
Say, Fowl Owl, how do you keep a parrot in the bird bath all day?
I don't know. How do you keep a parrot in the bird bath all day long?
You hand him a bottle of shampoo that says lather, rinse, repeat.
Whoa, that's good. Yeah. I have one. How do you confuse a parrot?
Ooh, tell me.
You put him in a circular bird cage and tell him to sit in the corner.
My turn. How many parrots
Hey.
Hey, Kesmoe.
Are you telling parrot jokes?
Well, you see...
I know
it's just-
everyone sees parrots as nothing more than mindless mimics, people's pets, cute little copycats. Well, I'm here to say that we proud parrots demand respect. We bring joy and color to this world, and we won't stand for stupid jokes anymore.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
wow, Kesmoe. Buddy, we're terribly sorry.
It was Luckle's idea.
Apology accepted.
Now, does anyone know where I live?
I'll help you, buddy. Again. Come on.
Over here?
No, it's this way.
Oh,
Kesmoe,
wait. Oh,
don't
whoa.
get on that bus. And there he goes again. Oh, third time this week. I'll be back, Fowl Owl. You know, it's funny. Kesmoe's technically a green-rumped parrot. Sure, it's of the parrot family, but I'm surprised it's taken him this long to figure it out.
Join us next time for more jokes, folks.
Luckl, you love too much. You just love too much. I can't help it. You love too much.